Nissan Xmotion Concept. Nissan has gone all in on crossovers, with its Pathfinder having migrated to a car-based platform, the Murano providing a more premium alternative, the compact Rogue selling like gangbusters, the slightly smaller Rogue Sport wedging in just below, and the newly introduced kicks replacing the Juke in the tiny-ute space. Only the supersize Armada retains the traditional rear-drive-based SUV layout and demeanor. But as the brand looks ahead to 2020 and beyond, Nissan appears to be circling back toward that old-school SUV look, at least that's the indication from the Xmotion concept. The concept is compact in size, at 180.7 inches long, the Xmotion is some 4 inches shorter than a Rogue, but it's also 4 inches wider. The 109.6-inch wheelbase, however, is 3.1 inches greater than that of the Rogue. The relative closeness of their dimensions means that the concept could be an indicator of the future styling direction of the Rogue, whose next generation can't be far off. But the X in its name, as well as the emphasis on ruggedness and utility, suggest instead that this could preview a replacement for the departed Stera. The Xmotion's exterior is rendered in chunky forms, and with traditional, squared-off proportions you'll see none of the brand's flowing design language here. The beltline is high and the roofline fairly low, while the huge wheel arches are outlined in thick black bands to look even bigger. The 21-inch wheels are integral with the tires, the off-road tread is laminated onto the aluminum wheels. The resultant combination is designed to make the wheels look bigger, and it offers run-flat capability. Like the Rogue, the Xmotion stuffs 3 rows of seats into a relatively compact package. Here, each row sports a pair. Acknowledging that this leaves little room for luggage, the concept features a meaty roof rack with an integrated cargo carrier that collapses when not in use. The design of both the center console, which spans the length of the interior, and the lower dashboard are said to be influenced by Japanese wood joining techniques, and both are covered in real wood veneers. In a further nod to nature, the cargo area features an image of Mount Fuji.